Hi students, good morning to all. Grade 11 Mathematics. Continuous of chapter number 15, Statistics. Our last class, measure of dispersion, range and mean deviation. Exercise number 15.1 is completed. Today exercise number 15.2 is about the concept is variance and standard deviation. Variance and standard deviation. Listen, variance and standard deviation. Variance is denoted by sigma squared. Sigma squared is called variance, and standard deviation is called sigma. That is square root of variance is standard deviation. So sigma squared is called variance and sigma is called standard deviation. Okay, right. Next, the variance of n observations, x1, x2 and x3 and so on, etc. xn. The variance and standard deviation. Standard deviations of n observations. x1, x2, x3 and so on, etc. xn or observations. So n observation is x1, x2, x3 and so on, etc. xn. Then variance and standard deviations of a given observation x1, x2, x3 and so on, etc. xn is variance is called sigma squared. Sigma squared 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. 1 divided by n summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. Here summation of x1, x2, x3 and so on, etc. xn is called xi. So summation of I equal to 1 to n. I equal to 1 to n. This is a variance of the given observation x1, x2, x3 and so on, etc. xn. So very important formula. Sigma squared is equal to 1 divided by n summation of I equal to 1 to n of xi minus x bar the whole square. When the given data is ungrouped data. This given data is ungrouped data. Okay. So the ungrouped data, the variance of the given ungrouped data is sigma squared is equal to 1 divided by n summation of I equal to 1 to n of xi minus x bar the whole square. Xi minus x bar the whole square. And standard deviation, this is variance and standard deviation. Standard deviation is called sigma. Sigma equal to square root of this variance. So 1 by n summation of I equal to 1 to n of xi minus x bar the whole square. This is standard deviation. Okay, listen. Variance is called sigma square and standard deviation is called sigma. So variance and standard deviation of n observation x1, x2, x3 and so on, etc. xn is this given formula. Variance is sigma squared equal to 1 divided by n. N is a observation, number of observations. Summation of I equal 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. Here x bar is mean of the given observation. Mean, that is average of the given observation. And standard deviation is equal to sigma equals square root of 1 divided by n summation I equal 1 to n of xi minus x bar the whole square. Okay. So given data is ungrouped data. When the given data is ungrouped data using these formulas. Okay, right. Listen. First example number 8 and exercise 15.2 first, second and third. Three questions are ungrouped data, so use these formulas. Okay, right, listen. Listen. Question number, example number 8, page number 364. Find the variance of the following data. Six, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Okay, right. Listen. Find the variance of the given ungrouped data. Is 6, 8, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22, 24. Okay. So listen. Here n is equal to number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observations. So n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. You know that the variance formula. Variance sigma squared is equal to 1 divided by n small n summation of I equal to 1 to n, I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. Xi minus x bar the whole square. Listen, here we need variance. Variance formula is 1 divided by n summation of I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. Here n is known, so n is equal to number of observation 10 observation. Okay, n equal to 10. And we need data xi minus x bar the whole square. Find xi minus x bar the whole square and also summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. First you find x bar. X bar is mean of the given observation. X bar is mean. So mean of the given observation x bar is equal to sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Sum of the given data divided by number of observation. That means n. So summation of xi, that is formula summation of xi divided by n. Summation of xi divided by n is x bar. So x bar is equal to summation of these terms 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 divided by 10. Number of observation 10. Okay, listen. 8 plus 6 14, 24, 34, 36, 40, 50, 66, 76, 76 plus 8, 84, 104, 126, 130, 150. So 150. So sum of this value is 150 divided by 10. So x bar is equal to 15. So therefore x bar is equal to 15. X bar equal to 15. Okay, right. Listen. So mean x bar equal to 15. Find this value summation xi minus x bar the whole square. Xi minus x bar the whole square. Listen. First column xi. Xi means given observation. X1, this is x1, x2, x3, so on, etc. xn. So xi is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. 22 and 24. Okay, right. Listen. Next, we need x minus x bar. X minus x bar. So you know that x bar equal to 15. So x minus xi minus x bar mean 15. X bar is 15. So xi minus 15. Xi minus 15. Here xi is 6. 6 minus 15. 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. And 8 minus 15. Here x1 is 6. So 6 minus 15 is equal to minus 9. And x2 is 8. So 8 minus 15. 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7. And 10 minus 15 is equal to minus 5. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. 14 minus 15 is minus 1. 16 minus 15 is plus 1. 18 minus 15 is plus 3. 20 minus 15 is plus 5. 22 minus 15 is 7. And 24 minus 15 is 9. Plus 9. This is xi minus 15. And xi minus x bar the whole square. Xi minus x bar the whole square. That is here, this is xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar. Next, xi minus x bar the whole square. That is xi minus 15 the whole square. Xi minus 15 the whole square. Xi minus 15 is minus 9, minus 7, minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, plus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So square of these terms. So minus 9 the whole square is 81. Minus 7 the whole square is 49. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. Minus 3 the whole square is 9. Listen, minus 3 the whole square is plus 9. But minus 3 square is minus 9. Okay, so minus 9 the whole square. So square of sign is the number. So square of this value, whole value, minus 9 the whole square is plus 81. Okay, right. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. 1 square 1. 3 square 9. 5 square 25. 7 square 49. And 9 square 81. 9 square 81. This is xi minus x bar the whole square. Xi minus x bar the whole square. We need the answer summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. So sum of these values. Sum of this value is 81, 49, 25, 9, 1, 1, 9, 25, 49, 81. Okay, sum of this value. So, sum of this value is equal to 1, 10, 15, 24, 25, 26, 35, 40, 49, 50. 0. Remaining 5. 5 plus 8, 13. Plus 4, 17, 19, 21, 25, plus 8 is 33. So 330. 330. So listen, the summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is equal to 330. 330. Okay, right. We need variance of this given data. Okay, so the variance formula is sigma square equal 1 by n summation of, this is a variance formula, summation of equal 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. So this is called equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies sigma squared is equal to substitute this value 1 divided by n. Here n is number of observation is 10. So 1 divided by 10. And summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. We know that, so this value. So summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is 330 into 330 into 330. So sigma squared is equal to 0, 0 cancel, remaining 33. Therefore, the variance of the given data 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 is 33. This is the variance. Okay? And also find standard deviation. Suppose, so find standard deviation. Standard deviation is sigma, that is square root of the variance value 33. Square root of 33. So square root of 33 value is 5.74. This is a standard deviation. Okay? So variance and standard deviation. Find variance and standard deviation of the given data. Listen, given data is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data. So you know that ungrouped data, variance formula is sigma square equal 1 divided by n in summation of I equal 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. Listen, here n is number of observation. So total number of observation is 10. So n is equal to 10. And find summation of x minus x bar the whole square. So x bar formula, you know that summation of xi divided by n, summation of the given data divided by n. So summation of given data is 150 divided by n is 10. So 150 divided by 10 is 15. So the mean of the given data is equal to 15. So substitute this value, find xi minus x bar, that is xi minus 15, and also find xi minus x bar the whole square. So summation of sum of this value, so summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is equal to 330. Okay, so substitute these values in the equation number 1. So the variance sigma squared is equal to 1 divided by n value is 10. So 1 by 10 into this value, summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is 330. So substitute this value. So sigma squared equal to 1 divided by 10 into 330. Simplify this value, I have a variance of this given data is equal to 33. And also find standard deviation. So standard deviation formula, you know that a square root of the variance, that is sigma. So square root of the variance value is 33. So square root of 33 is equal to 5.74. This is a required standard deviation of the given data. Okay, very simple question. Listen, next exercise number 15.2, question number 1. Find mean and variance of for each of the data. Given first one question, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, again 12. So listen, find mean and variance. Find mean and variance. So given data is ungrouped data. So 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. You know that mean of the given data x bar is equal to mean is x bar is equal to summation of xi divided by number of observation. Listen, here given number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n small n is equal to 8. Small n equal to 8. So 8 observations, x1, x2, x3, x4, 5, x6, 7, 8. So 8 observations. So n is equal to 8. So x bar equal to summation of xi, that is sum of this given data. So 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by n. So sum of this value 6 plus 7, 13 plus 10, 23 plus 12, 25, 35, 35, 45, 48, 52, 60 and 72. So 72 divided by number of observation is 8. Number of observation is 8. So n is equal to 9. So x bar is equal to 9. X bar is equal to 9. So 72 by 8 is equal to 9. Therefore, the mean of the given data is 9. Okay. Right. Next, you find a variance of this given data. We know that the variance of the given ungrouped data formula is sigma squared is equal to variance. Sigma squared is equal to 1 divided by n summation of I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. Xi minus x bar the whole square. Listen, here x bar is known as 9 and n small n is number of observation 8. Listen. So xi is first given one, x1, x2, x1 is 6 and x2 is 7, x3 10, next x4 12, next 13 and 4, 8 and 12. Last one 12. Right. First you find xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar. Listen, here xi minus x bar is 9. So xi minus 9. Xi minus 9. So xi is first one x1. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. 7 minus 9. Substitute this value xi. So I is equal to 1. Let x1 is 6. So 6 minus 9 minus 3. And 7 x2 is 7. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. 10 minus 9 is plus 1. 12 minus 9 is plus 3, 13 minus 9 is plus 4, 4 minus 9 is minus 5, 8 minus 9 is minus 1. 12 minus 9 is plus 3. Plus 3. This is xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar. Listen, here formula summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. You need the answer summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. First you find xi minus x bar. And second one xi minus x bar the whole square. This is xi minus x bar. Next you find xi minus x bar the whole square. That means square of this second column. So minus 3 the whole square is 9. Minus 2 the whole square is 4. 1 squared 1. 3 squared 9. 4 squared 16. Minus 5 the whole square is 25. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Plus 3 the whole square is 9. So sum of these values, that is summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. Sum of this value, 9 plus 1 10, plus 5 15, plus 6 21, 30, 31, 35, plus 9 is 44. 35 plus 9 is 44, 4. Remaining 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7. Okay, so 74. So sum of this value, sum of this value. Okay, right, 74. Listen, the summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is equal to 74. Equal to 74. So summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is 74. Substitute this value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 implies, so the variance sigma squared is equal to 1 divided by n. N is 8. So 1 divided by 8 into summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. That is summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is 74. So 74. So 74 divided by 8. 74 divided by 8 is sigma square. Sigma square. So simplify this value. 74 8. 9 8 are 72. 9 8 are 72. Remaining 2. So 2 is a small number. So 20. So 2 is 16. Remaining 4. 5 8 are. So 9.25. So sigma squared is equal to 9.25. Sigma squared is equal to 9.25. Therefore, the mean of the given data, is 9 and variance of the given data is 9.25. Okay, so first question is over. Next, second question. Listen. Next question number 2. Exercise 15.2. Question number 2. Find mean and variance for first n natural number. Listen, find mean and variance of first n natural number. You know that a main formula, mean of a given data x bar is equal to summation of xi I equal to 1 to n divided by number of observation n. So x bar is equal to summation of xi mean first n natural number mean 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on etc. And so on etc. plus n divided by number of observation n. So n times n observation. So you know that the formula sum of n natural number is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So substitute this value n into n plus 1 by 2 whole divided by n. So n cancel. Remaining the mean of the given data x bar is equal to n plus 1 by 2. This is given mean of the first n natural number. So the mean of first n natural number is n plus 1 by 2. Next, we know that wherein sigma squared is equal to formula 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. Okay, this is formula. So sigma squared equal to n is n natural number, n is also n, and summation of xi minus x bar, you know x bar is n plus 1 by 2. So this value n plus 1 by 2, x bar is equal to n plus 1 by 2, is substitute this formula. So 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar equal to n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So summation n equal 1 to, sorry, I equal to 1 to n, so I equal to 1 to n. Okay, right. So sigma squared is equal to 1 by n into 1 by m con summation of I equal to 1 to n xi minus n plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is a minus b whole square formula. Explain a minus b whole square formula. So xi squared plus n plus 1 by 2 the whole square, this a square plus b square, minus 2ab, 2 into a is xi into b is n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 by 2 to cancel, remaining 1 by n into summation of I equal to 1 to n xi squared plus here n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is constant, so n plus 1 the whole square by 2 square is 4, so summation of this value, this is constant, so summation of I equal to 1 to n, here constant is 1, so summation of 1. Okay, minus 2 to cancel, remaining xi into n plus, here n plus 1 is constant, n plus 1 is summation of xi, I equal to 1 to n, I equal 1 to n. Okay, right. So 1 by n into I equal 1 to n xi squared means sum of square of n natural number, sum of the square of n natural number. Listen, we know that sum of square of n natural number, that is 1 plus 2 squared plus and so on etc plus n square, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on etc plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, that is summation of xi squared I equal to 1 to n equal to this formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So substitute this formula. So summation I equal 1 to n xi squared is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, plus here n plus 1 whole square, n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 into summation of I equal 1 to n into summation of 1. So summation of 1 in n time, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 in n time is equal to n. So n summation of 1 and I equal 1 to n, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on is n times of 1. So n times of 1 is n minus n plus 1 into summation I equal 1 to n xi, that is sum of n natural number formula, this same formula. So n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. So multiply 1 by n and 3 terms. So 1 by n into this terms, n cancel, remaining n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus here n 1 by n cancel, remaining n plus 1 the whole square by 4 minus here also same 1 by n into n, this n cancel, remaining n plus 1 into n plus 1 the whole square by 2, n plus 1 the whole square by 2. So simplify this value. Listen, simplify this. Sigma squared is equal to, listen, 3 terms have n plus 1 is common. Here is n plus 1, n plus 1 whole square, n plus 1. So take n plus 1 as common. So n plus 1. So remaining 2n plus 1 by 6. Second term n plus 1 by 4. Third term n plus 1 by 2. So take LCM. Listen, n plus 1 divided by 12. Take 12 is LCM. 6, 4, LCM of 6, 4, 2 is 12. So 12, 2, 6 are 12. So multiply 2 on numerator and denominator. So 2 to 4, 4n, 2 into 1, 2 plus multiply 3 on both numerator and denominator. So 3 4s are 12. 3 into n plus 1 is 3n plus 3 minus here 2 into 6 is 12. So multiply 6 on numerator and denominator. 6 into n plus 1 is 6n plus 6. So minus of 6n plus 6 is minus 6n minus 6. Minus 6n minus 6. So simplify this value. N plus 1 by 12. N plus 1 by 12 into 4n plus 3n minus 6n is n. 7n minus 6n is n. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 6 is minus 1. So n plus 1 into n minus 1 is n squared minus 1 whole divided by 12. So this is variance of sum of n natural number. Therefore, the variance of sum of n natural number is n squared minus 1 by 12. And mean of sum of n first n natural number. Mean of first n natural number is n plus 1 by 2. So required answer, the mean of first n natural number is n plus 1 by 2 and variance of first n natural number is n squared minus 1 by 12. Very easiest one. First to prepare mean formula and variance formula. Okay. So the mean value x bar is substitute this variance formula. Explain a minus b whole squared formula. And here very important, summation of I equal 1 to n xi square, that is sum of square of n natural number formula. Here apply sum of square of n natural number formula. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Here summation of 1 in n times is n. Here constant n plus 1 whole squared by 4. Here summation I equal 1 to n is xi is sum of n natural number formula. So n into n plus 1 by 2. So simplify this term. You have the answer. Variance is n squared minus 1 by 12. Very simple question. Okay. Right. Next, third question. Find mean and variance of first 10 multiples of 3. Third one question. Find variance of first 10 multiples of 3. Listen, that is first 10 multiples of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 numbers. So first 10 multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. This is given data. First find mean. Mean, that is x bar equal to summation of this term. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus and so on etc. This value plus 30 divided by n number of observation is 10. So 10. So sum of this value 3 plus 6 9, 18, 30, 45, 55 plus 8, 63, 83, 84, 84, 104, 108, 108, 128, 135, 165 divided by 10. So is equal to 16.5. So mean of this value given data is 16.5. 16.5. Okay. Right. Listen. Variance formula. You know that variance sigma squared is equal to 1 by n summation of I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. You know, first find x bar value. So here x bar value is 16.5. And also find summation of xi minus x bar the whole square. Table. First xi and xi minus x bar, that is xi minus x bar is, here x bar is 16.5, that is 16.5, and third one xi minus x bar the whole square. So xi is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Okay, so xi minus x bar, xi is 3, x bar is 16.5. So 3 minus 16.5 is minus 13.5, minus 13.5. 6 minus 16.5 is minus 11.5, so minus 10.5, minus 10.5. minus 10.5, and 9 minus 16.5, 9 minus 16.5 is minus 7.5, minus 7.5. 12 minus 16.5 is minus 4.5, minus 4.5. 15 minus 16.5 is minus 1.5. 18 minus 6.5 is minus, sorry, plus 2.5, plus, sorry, plus 1.5, not 2.5, plus 1.5. And 21 minus 16.5, 21 minus 16.5 is 21 minus 16 is 4, 5, 5.5, 5.5. So 21 minus 16.5 is 6.5. 21 minus 16.5 is 6.5. 6.5 plus 16.5, 22.5. So 5.5. Sorry, 5.5. And 21 minus 16.5 is equal to 5.5. 16.5 plus 5.5. 0 plus 1, 2. So 22. Sorry, 4.5. 21 minus 16.5 is 4.5. 24 minus 16.5 is 7.5. 7.5. 27 minus 16.5 is plus 10.5. And 30 minus 16.5 is 13.5. 13.5. Okay, right. Listen. xi minus x bar, 3 minus 16.5, 30 minus 13.5, 6 minus 16.5, minus 10.5, 9 minus 16.5, minus 1.5, 12 minus 16.5 is minus 4.5, 15 minus 16.5 is minus 1.5, 18 minus 16.5 is plus 1.5, plus 1.5, 21 minus 16.5 is 4.5, 24 minus 16.5 is 7.5, 27 minus 16.5 10.5, 30 minus is 13.5. Next, square of this value, 13.5 the whole square, minus 13.5 the whole square. So minus 13.5 the whole square is 182.25. Verify this value, 182.25. And 10.25 is, value is 110.25. 110.25. And 7.5 the whole square is 56.25. 56.25. And 4.5 the whole square is 20.25. 20.25. And 1.5 the whole square is equal to 2.25. Same 1.5, 2.25. And 4.5 the whole square is 20.25. 7.5 the whole square is same 56.25. 10.5 the whole square is 110.25. And 30.25 is 182.25. This is xi minus x bar the whole square. So you need summation of xi minus x bar. So sum of this value. So summation of xi minus x bar the whole square is equal to sum of this value is equal to 742.5. So check this value, 742.5. Sum of this value is equal to 742.5. Okay, right. Listen, you know that the variance formula is sigma square is equal to 1 by n. 1 by n here number of observation is 10. So 1 by 10 into the summation of xi minus x bar the whole square value is 742.5. 742.5. So 742.5 divided by 10 is equal to 74.25. So sigma squared is equal to 74.25. Listen, therefore the mean of this given function, first 10 multiple of 3 is 16.5, and variance of the first 10 multiple of 3 is 74.25. 74.25. So this is very simple question, but decimal number, so very careful. Okay, right. Right, next question number 4, 5, 6. Okay, remaining question is in next class. Okay, bye.